Welcome to my new blog post 48. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about sphere of influence of project manager with respect to the project. Basically, this sphere of influence contains the maximum power that is provided to the project manager. So, project manager has maximum level of of influence in this circle. So let's start. And please uh, before starting, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel Yasir Fazal, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you should get the latest updates as soon as our new video is uploaded. So let's start with the topic. So with respect to the project, basically the project manager leads the project team to meet the project's objectives and stakeholder expectations. The project manager works to balance the competing constraints on the project with the resources available. The project manager also performs communication roles between the project sponsor, team members, and other stakeholders. This includes providing direction and presenting the vision of success for the project. The project manager use basically soft skills, for example, interpersonal skills and the ability to manage people, to balance the conflicting and competing goals of the project stakeholders in order to achieve consensus. In this context, consensus means that the relevant stakeholders support the project decisions and actions, even when there is not 100% agreement. Research basically shows that a successful project manager consistently and effectively use certain essential skills. Research also reveals that the top 2% of project managers, as designated by their bosses and team members, distinguish themselves by demonstrating superior relationship and communication skills while displaying a positive attitude. So basically, the ability to communicate with stakeholders, including the team members and sponsor, applies across multiple aspects of the project, which normally include developing finely tuned skills using multiple methods, for example, verbal, written, and nonverbal cues. Uh, Creating and maintaining and adhering to the communication plans and schedules, communicating predictability and consistently, seeking to understand the project stakeholders' communication needs. Communication may be the only deliverable that some stakeholders received until the project's product or service is basically completed. Making communication concise, clear, complete, simple, relevant, and tailored. Include important positive and negative newses, incorporating feedback channels, and basically the last one is relationship skills involving the development of extensive networks of people throughout the project manager's sphere of influence. Basically, these networks include formal networks such as organizational reporting structure. Informal networks include the use of established relationship with individuals such as subject matter experts and influential leaders. Use of these formal and informal networks allows the project manager to engage multiple people in solving problems and navigating the bureaucracies encountered in a project. So basically, this is all about the project manager's influence with respect to the project. At this, again, I'm just repeating it again, like the project manager has maximum level of influence on the project. Now, hopefully you have understood the topic. Now coming towards our star question. So the star question of of today's blog is like project managers should have ability to what, filling the blank, with stakeholders while creating strong influence. First one is communicate. Number two is take risks. Third one is reporting, and then fourth one is the work. Do not forget to answer the correct option in the comment section of this video. You might need to see this video again because answer lies within this video.